Hey there, tech enthusiast. Ever wondered how those tiny magical microchips that power our world came to be? Buckle up, because today I'm taking you on a fun and animated journey through the history of microchips. Picture this, it's the 1950s. Rock and roll is shaking up the music scene and scientists are about to rock the tech world. Enter Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce, the godfathers of the microchip. Kilby, working at Texas Instruments, and Noyce at Fairchild Semiconductor, both had a light bulb moment. Literally, they dreamed of integrating multiple electronic components into a single tiny piece of silicon. But wait, before we go any further, you might be wondering, why silicon? Well, it's not just for beach sand and supermodels. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under some conditions and insulate under others. Perfect for making those tiny circuits we call microchips. Fast forward to 1958, Kilby creates the first functioning integrated circuit. Imagine a bunch of electrical components all crammed together on a slice of silicon. It was revolutionary, but this was just the beginning. Now here's where it gets dramatic. Noyce's version of the microchip, made a year later, used a different method that was easier to mass produce. This sparked the legendary Kilby versus Noyce rivalry. Think of it as the tech version of Batman versus Superman, but with more soldering. In the 1970s, we saw the birth of the microprocessor. Imagine taking an entire computer and shrinking it down to a single chip. That's exactly what Intel did with the 4004 microprocessor. Suddenly, computers weren't just giant machines for government and universities. They could fit on your desk. But the journey didn't end there. The 80s and 90s brought us Moore's Law. Gordon Moore, another tech wizard, predicted that the number of transistors on a microchip would double approximately every 2 years. And guess what? He was right. This exponential growth led to the powerful pocket-sized devices we use today. So next time you're scrolling through your smartphone or powering up your laptop, remember the tech wizards who made it all possible. From Kilby's and Noyce's early breakthroughs to the incredible advancements of today, the story of the microchip is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Thanks for joining me on this animated adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tales. Stay curious, my friends. Catch you in the next one.